Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what might just be the best upgrade path for users of the older i5-14400 processor. The Intel Core i5-14400F. If you've been holding onto that i5-7400 and wondering what's next without blowing your budget, this could be your answer. The i5-14400F is part of Intel's 14th Gen Raptor Lake refresh lineup and packs a serious punch at a very reasonable price point. It features 10 cores, 6 performance cores and 4 efficient cores, giving you a total of 16 threads. That's a massive jump from the 4 cores and 4 threads of the i5-7400. You'll feel this upgrade immediately in multitasking, gaming, and content creation. And with a maximum turbo frequency of up to 4.7 GHz, you're looking at a chip that delivers snappy responsiveness across the board. This processor follows Intel's hybrid architecture model, which means it intelligently distributes workloads between performance and efficiency cores. Heavy tasks like gaming and rendering are handled by the P cores, while background tasks get offloaded to the E cores. That means better power management and smoother performance overall, something that just wasn't possible with older quad-core designs. Now, let's talk compatibility. The i5-14400F uses the LGA1700 socket and works with Intel 600 and 700 series chipsets. If you have an older motherboard, you'll need to upgrade, but the good news is that many budget-friendly boards, like the B660 or B760, support DDR4 memory, so you can keep using your existing RAM if it's DDR4 3200. But if you're looking to go cutting edge, DDR5 4800 is also supported, giving you a clear upgrade path when you're ready. Keep in mind this chip doesn't come with integrated graphics, so a discrete GPU is required. But that's often a plus for gamers or creative professionals who already use dedicated graphics cards. On the connectivity side, you get support for both PCIe 4.0 and PCIe 5.0, which means your system is future-proofed for high-speed SSDs and next-gen GPUs. Thermals are handled by Intel's RM1 cooler, which is included in the box. For most users, this will be enough for daily workloads and moderate gaming. But if you plan on pushing it with heavier loads or just want quieter performance, consider going with an aftermarket cooler. As of now, the i5-14400F is retailing for around $179 in the US, with international shipping options available. Even factoring in shipping and import charges, it remains a solid value compared to other mid-range CPUs. It competes closely with chips like the Ryzen 5 7600 and the i5-12600K. But if you're building a system with a focus on performance per dollar, this one's hard to beat. To sum it up, the Intel Core i5-14400F offers a dramatic leap in performance over the i5-7400. With more cores, better efficiency, modern platform support, and great pricing. It's the kind of upgrade that breathes new life into your PC without breaking the bank. That wraps up this review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the best tech upgrades for your money. See you in the next one.